From today, yang yang dia udah ken, kepai ken, don dia ndara, til ndara, wih ndara, itu dia. Jadi turn back celun ka SPLA yo mata tak. Konon tu warga dia, bu udah keliu. Jen pate pi kondian celun tin. So kada mana jen banga, cela menjauh melat ngayu. La guerre ne station bejo la guerre belo liep gua libutin, jadi turn back celun ka SPLA yo. Ba declaration ba kwen ba ding yan dum laga dial ti do ka SPLA yo Kitgwang aja lanya na kon dial ban luñ ka SPLA yo pil kon tama ban jawlen ka debat dial ya shoot ken biagalin ba kwen ya bana teleng ka debat ina ilo welcome but when declaration
declaration from SPLA IO Kitgwang to SPLA IO under the leadership of the first Vice President of the Republic of South Sudan, Dr. Young Mashata in Burgo. The 31 January 2025 subject declaration of return of SPLA IO. SPLA IO under the leadership of Dr. Young Mashata in Burgo, first Vice President of the Republic of South Sudan. Dear brother and sister of SPLA IO, I, Major General Toilulbul, hereby declaration to you that as of today, 31 January 2025, I have returned to where I belong, the SPLA IO. I am confirming my commitment to the struggle and to the leadership of Dr. Young Mashata Indurgo, the first Vice President of the Republic of South Sudan, and to all the principle and idea of SPLA IO. From this day forward, I shall continue to stand firm in support of movement driven by the vision of peace, justice, and prosperity for all the people of South Sudan. Let us move forward with strength and unity for the betterment of our country and our people. SPLA IO remain the true voice for the marginalized, and together we shall achieve the long-awaited freedom and development. Viva SPLA IO! Viva Third Brigadier Commander! Viva Dr. Machar! Viva South Sudan! You are in solidarity, Toilulbul. I and my commander, officer, and COs and men their name are as follow. Senior with coordination of Ambassador name in full, Major General Toilulbul, Major General Denshairik, Brigadier General Ringyang Sukir, Brigadier General Lual Chanyin, Brigadier General Dulmutuang, Brigadier General Totpoy Bus, total officer 76, total NCO 210, total of all of them 286.
no anjan warga anjan kanga kono mai officer la to bat kadia so ayu jen ti kondial jien ga kin mabar kay luñ ka SPLA ayu ma gatang ande Dr. Machar SPLA ayu biba long bikin biba South Sudan biba Serget biba ako biba nama lanai declare chine Serget under division 8 sector 3 division 8 kapa general James Betongle sama ke Serget Peter Kuchul kuben wananda badi al senior takatin major general Simon Garwin Medio te winya wana jen la dai lano ketede ko kuben wana so en ti lo te loy dina te loy ka nga ka ayu ko jelu inte bana nyen kon nywa ken ko